Okay, let's get going then. Um, this first painting was a painting that I didn't really like that much. Um, but I've been opening this journal from time to time, and every time I see the first page there, I sort of like it. I'm really starting to like it. I like the mountain that you can see there, and yeah, I don't know. I like the brown against the blue. Well, it's burnt umber actually. I like the colors in it. I used to use them a lot. Okay, so now I'm showing you my old journal and my current journal together just to show the size difference. The paper's quality is quite different in these two journals too. The one I'm showing you now has like more of a cardboard quality paper, while my new one has really thin paper, and that's the kind of paper I enjoy. So I didn't enjoy the paper in this journal as much as I do in my new one. With that said, my new one has very thin paper. Not everybody might enjoy that. All right, this I think is kind of unfinished. A lot of my paintings in this journal are quite unfinished. Um, Not loving it, but yeah, I've seen worse, and I think I was just trying like the cerise against the dark blue, because all of a sudden I started thinking about the 80s, and that was like two colors that I remember I used to work in a clothes store, and we used to get clothes that were cerise and dark blue, and I just wanted to try it out in a painting, I think. A bit more of the same colors. It was like that's what it was inspired by, anyhow. Not finished again. Uh, I see a lot of stuff that I like here, um, and I probably could do more to it, and it would could turn out nice, I guess. Um, this turned out exactly as I wanted it to. I wanted to do something that was like white, had a lot of white in it, so in that respect, it came out quite good. I'm not too happy about the balance in it. Um, I don't know. I kind of wish there was more of the black on the left side or more of the pink. I could have pulled it further down or something. Yeah, but other than that, I'm quite happy with this painting. I really enjoy it. This is the free painting that I did, and I really like this. I even tried to put it onto canvas. This I did a video on, and at the time I liked it. Now I hate it. So I guess I guess I changed my mind a lot, huh? Yeah. This I'm not sure if I did a video on. I don't think I did. It doesn't look finished, so I don't know what I did. This next painting I love, and it's inspired me so much with the paintings I do on canvas now. I love the colors, the blue against that brown and the black. Also, colors that I used to see a lot in the 80s. Um, yeah, so I'm really inspired by this painting and I love it. I loved it when I was finished with it, and I still do. And I think I did a video on this. So that page inspired me to paint this on a large canvas, and I really like how it turned out. And that happens a lot. Well, once in a while, anyhow, I do a painting inspired by an art journal page. And that's another fun thing about art journaling that I love. So, yeah, I love this art journal page. This is a page that I really, really like. but I wish that I had made some changes to the two dark black marks that you see to the left and on the top, because they're, they're, they should be different. I should have covered up the top one and made it smaller so that there would be a contrast there. Um, they're the same size, and that, I don't know, it doesn't create the right type of interest, and the eye won't like follow the page the way it's supposed to because they're the same size. This I made and I loved it after looking at it like 20 times. Now I really, really like it. And I don't know if I did a video with this, but I think I have the footage. That's another page that inspired me to do a painting. Oh, no, actually, that page I was doing a painting and I couldn't get it to work. So I tried to recreate it in my art journal, and I really liked the way it turned out in my art journal. And so what I did was I used my art journal to make my painting work. So I used it the other way around. And I really, really like how this painting turned out. I'll show you in a second. I'm really so happy that I found art journaling when I did. I don't know where I'd be without it. I love it. It's something I will never stop doing. That's for sure. I think I did a video on this one. Um, I was happy with it at the time, but now when I look at it, I think, oh, I could have done so much more. I could have covered up a little bit of that black. I like the marks on the top, like on the left side and on the top, but that bottom part there, I could have done more too. So an empty page, I do that every once in a while. I gesso a page and then I never get around to doing anything on it. Another unfinished piece. I think I just didn't feel it was going anywhere. This I think I did a video of. Um, I don't know. I don't know if I really like it anymore. This I love. I wish I had put this on canvas. Maybe I should do that. Um, yeah, I think it's my favorite in the entire book. So, um, yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I like the way the left part comes forward and the right part is like pushed to the back, but it's missing something, so I don't think it's finished. This I think I filmed, but I didn't put it up on YouTube. Um, yeah, I kind of like it. I like the colors. And yeah, let me know if you want to see it, and I'll see if I can find the video. Another video I did. Uh, I don't know what I feel about it, actually. This is an unfinished landscape. Never went anywhere. I didn't finish it, and I don't think it has the potential either, to be honest. This is unfinished too. I could finish it. It just needs more midtones and darker colors and a bit of layers. This was just like a project that I had going on. I was trying out these different colors, the green yellow, and then that pine green color together. And I put in the purple, and yeah, well, it was just a project. I was trying different colors out. This, I think I filmed. I don't know if I put it up. Yeah, it turned out okay. I think I did. I think I made a video. I think I edited it. I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's the end of that journal. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and well, until next time. See ya.